Yo, 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 we're going for the school games. Isn't that crazy? Well, this is an update. No YouTube comments. We're gonna go some stats on the school games run. I got cooked for the week while we're cooking. Doing more make work. How to make a banner. That's dope. How to make an about page copy. That's dope. How to do new ads and stuff. Well, maybe not. But we're going for the school games with Skool CRM. We're up 8K for the month, and this needs to be way higher. And we can actually cover the new banner right now. So, this is the new banner, and it's based off, if I go to Discovery Communities, based off this one. There's multiple things that we did for it. Where am I? So, there is the face, and then there's Skool CRM. That is honestly the main two things that you need for a banner. It's just your face and Skool CRM. For the face, you want to just add some shadows with Canva, and then that's pretty much it. And then you want to make the thing pop. That's honestly will get you better than 90% of people. What if I pull it up? It'll probably be useful. So this went through a lot of variations. So this was variation 1. And then this photo was low quality. So you can just put it into Gemini, and then Gemini will literally just make it a lot better. And then you can see I added an overlay on the back, and then in the end, it's he is hella edited. It's basically like a YouTube thumbnail. That's kind of how you want to think about it. Oh, this is the Gemini one, so it doesn't have that much. Gemini 1, 2. Okay. Where's this at, bro? Alright, maybe I'm tripping. We did edit it. There you go. So it's different brightness, different highlights, and you just kind of want to play with it. It's really not that deep. And then I put it into Gemini, and it just upscaled the image quality. I tried some AI ones, but they were kind of mid. So I wouldn't recommend. The YouTube channel for this week, it's pretty boring, which is all good. And then new about page copy, so I can read through that. So make your school easier to run while increasing your monthly revenue. Reason we went with this is it's really simple to understand, and it captures the tool perfectly. The main promise that you really want is just make it really clear what they want, which means understand the market. And then this is just a line of proof. Also, something to note, we used very specific numbers, because when you use specific numbers, it's almost like a novelty, essentially. So if we use 20 plus here, then people would be they kind of go past it. But when you say 22, it also adds another layer of credibility to what you're saying, right? And then just some more proof. And then plan. And then with the plan, you want to make sure that it states the feature, and then it states the outcome of that feature, right? Because people are buying outcomes. And then much more, and then some sort of urgency there, and then start free trial now. So that's pretty good. And then we're going to get a new VSL up as well. And the new ads, I can't speak on that yet, but I got cooked, sleep, so working my ass off this week. So I kind of want to have some alone time, and I'm let me just watch this show, bro. At 1 a.m. So I just stopped doing that. But doing more making work. This video did not follow the plan at all. Doing more make work. So I wear a ring now whenever I want to do make work. I should probably be wearing it right now, actually. And this basically makes me lock in, because the whole point is you basically build that association. And I know it sounds really stupid. It helps. So if you have I've done something for 10 years, and the biggest thing that helped me was getting out of bed 15 minutes after I couldn't fall asleep. Reason for that is previously my bed was associated with, this will loop back around, my bed was associated with thinking, paranoia, anxiety, just not good things, right? But now it's associated with sleep, the thing that you actually want to do. So it's the same thing with this ring, or a work environment, or anything else, a piece of clothing. You can literally tie associations to anything. It's kind of crazy. No one uses it, and you should. All right. For the Skool games, oh yeah, that was the title of the video. So we're gonna double down on the ads. That's the plan, and also double down on affiliates. And I should have some more sauce around that, because affiliates are crazy, and we don't do anything for it. All right. Bye.